Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up Engenius Router Easy Guide. Plug the router into power and connect the modem to the router WAN port with an Ethernet cable, then power on both devices. Open a browser on a connected device and navigate to the router's default IP or app. Log in with the default credentials and change the admin password immediately for security. Save settings and reboot the router. Check Wi-Fi settings, choose 4 GHz or 5 GHz according to range needs, and set a unique SSID and strong password. Enable WPA2 or WPA3 if available, and disable WPS for better security. Configure DHCP scope to avoid IP conflicts, and set a static IP for devices like printers if needed. Update firmware through the router web interface, then test connectivity on devices to confirm speeds and stability. Consider setting up a guest network for visitors to keep your main network private. Quick recommendation and a quick ask. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. Bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, which fits easily on a desk and answers voice commands for hands-free control of your network devices. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you buy through it, you help the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Use port forwarding for services like game servers or remote desktop, and reserve those ports in the router to avoid conflicts. Enable quality of service to prioritize traffic for streaming or video calls, and set bandwidth limits for non-essential devices. Regularly back up your router configuration before major changes, and review logs for unusual activity to spot intrusions early. Reboot monthly to clear memory and maintain performance. Consider changing default ports to reduce automated attacks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.